Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications as we upload one new recipe every day. Today's recipe is a potato lover's delight. It is potato cheese croquettes. So let's get started and check out the ingredients. Pressure cook the potatoes. Remove the skin and we're going to mash this. I'm going to mash the potatoes using a potato masher. So we have the potato mash. I'm going to season this with a little salt, freshly ground pepper, add fresh chopped coriander leaves. So I've mixed everything together nicely. What I have here is cheddar cheese. I've cut into thin sticks. You can use cubes if you like. Take a little of the potato mash. I'm going to place the cheddar cheese in the center and roll it over like that. So we're going to stuff the potato croquettes with the cheese. So there you go. To the milk I'm adding corn flour and Maida, that is all-purpose flour, to get a good batter consistency for the coating. Dip it in the batter, roll it in breadcrumbs and keep it aside. Refrigerate for about 5 to 10 minutes. Take a pan, add a little oil. We're going to shallow fry this. Fry till you get a nice golden brown color on all sides. Serve it hot with some nice ketchup or mayonnaise. So this is a lovely finger food or a party pleaser. You can make these croquettes ahead of time and you can refrigerate it, and just before serving you can actually shallow fry it and you can enjoy these delicious potato cheese croquettes. You can buy my online Indian cooking classes on 21frames.in/classes.